So today the customer was fortunately enough to have a three-phase, which gave the ability to go up to a 7 kilowatt inverter and allow us to chuck 9.3 kilowatts worth of PV on the roof, which is around 27 345s. So for the end consumer, she has three-phase, which is great, which means we can upgrade the system to a 7 kilowatt inverter and go up to around 9.3 kilowatts worth of PV on the roof. For a single phase, we would usually do a 5 kilowatt with around 6.6 kilowatts. So the advantage is to grab that extra 3 kilowatts, really create more power. So the client came to us looking for a really high-end quality product that's going to last. Customers like this we really love to work with because they want quality and give them confidence for the future. The residential sector really looks for maximising their system straight off the bat. So commonly we'll install 5 kilowatt inverter on a single phase and a 7 kilowatt on a three phase, pump that up to 9.3 or 6.6. Out of that the customer obviously makes around 30 to 43 kilowatt hours per day, and it saves them anywhere from $700 to $900 a quarter. So when it comes to residential systems, it's really a no-brainer for the end user at the moment. Working with this particular customer, she wanted quality, reliability and efficiency.